What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a step-by-step process on how you can be able to create a working Payoneer account and get it activated very quickly. Okay, so if you don't know what Payoneer is actually an online payment platform that you can use to receive payment from the international market, okay, or from your clients that are in the international market. Okay, so if you are a freelancer or you are an affiliate marketer or someone that sells products online in marketplaces like Amazon, you can actually use Payoneer as your payment platform to receive payment from those platforms and get it delivered directly to your local bank account. Okay, so you can also use Payoneer to actually make payments to other online stores or international marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and all of them, because Payoneer can be able to provide you with a card that you can use to make payments on those platforms that will not allow your local banking cards. Okay, so guys, if you are new to this channel, my name is Martin Iyo, and in this channel I create videos centered around how you can be able to make money legitimately online. Okay, so if you are someone that is interested in this kind of topic, make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure to like this video and share this video to anyone that you know that is going to find this video valuable. It can be your friends, it can be your family members, anyone. Just share it with you in the video. And also, guys, if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, or you can just drop Payoneer will also make this video to get more and more traction from YouTube algorithm. Okay, so that more people will get access to this information and come and take advantage of what I'm sharing with you guys today, because this video will show you a step-by-step way to create your working Payoneer account today and also get it activated immediately. Let's head into the video and that will show you how you can be able to do just that. Alright guys, so the first thing that you have to do before you get started creating your Payoneer account is to visit the description center of this video and click on the link that I put there that will redirect you to this page, so that you will be able to earn $25 from Payoneer for free once you're able to hit $1,000. And I believe that you can be able to hit $1,000 if you follow the step-by-step tutorials I used to put on this channel. Okay, so make sure you go on that description below and click on that link to sign up on Payoneer, and it's going to bring you on this page. So what you have to do is, once you get on this page, you just click the sign up and earn $25 button. So guys, once click on that link, it's going to load up this page for you. Okay, so once you land on this page, as you can see, this is getting started, and Payoneer is going to give you an option to select whether you are an individual or you are a company. Then if I would advise you, you have to go with the individual option, because when you select a company, they will now have to start requesting that you send your business registration and all those things that you don't want to bother yourself about. Okay, so once you select that you are an individual, you just head straight back here and put in your name. I would advise you use your real name here and also your real name for the last name. Okay, so once that is done, then you put up the email that you want to associate with this Payoneer account. Okay, I'll go ahead and type out the email. Then once you have put the email, I'll just copy this and paste it down, because what we have to do here is re-enter the email address. I'll just copy it and paste it down. Then when it comes to your date of birth, guys, I will advise that you actually put the date of birth you are going to remember. If I were advice, use your real date of birth, so that if anything happens to your account or Payoneer wants to verify about your identity or anything concerning you, you can be able to provide them with this same date of birth, because if you fail to do that, you might be able to lose your account or lose also the funds that you have in your account. So I will go right here and select my date of birth. I'll select the month, then select the year. Okay, this is very important. Then select the date. All right, so once you have done that, just go down and click on next. All right, so it will bring us to the next page where we are going to fill out our contact details. All right, so the country, Nigeria. Then put your own country if you're not from Nigeria. Then put your street number here. Okay, like I said, make sure that all the information you are putting here is correct, because we are going to need it when it comes to verifying this account and other stuff that we want to do with Payoneer, like getting our Payoneer card and every other stuff that we need to do. Okay, so once you put your street address, Then you put the city or town. Can put your postal code here. All right. Then put the mobile number that you want to associate with this account, because this is the mobile number you will normally receive your code when you want to log in into Payoneer also. So make sure that you are putting in an active phone number right here. Okay, like as I'll go right here and put in a phone number here. Okay, so once you have put the phone number, all you have to do, just come here and click on send code, so that Payoneer will send you a code that you will use to verify your account. Just click on send code here. Now go to your phone, because the code will arrive any minute. Okay, as you can see, I've received my own code, 095526. So once you are putting your own code, as you can see, the time is ticking. Just click on next, because if this thing goes to 0, you have to request for another one. Okay, so once I get to next, it's now asking me, okay, the username I'm going to be using to log in my account is my email here. Okay, then the password, just enter your password that you want to use. Okay, then re-enter your password. Don't copy and paste this one, because so that you don't make a mistake. Okay, then security question, then select one that you can easily remember. Okay, which street do you grow up? Which street? What's the first name of your others? Which street? Let me just one. These questions here. Okay, I'll try to. What's the first name of your eldest child? What street on which you grew up? Okay, what street on which you grew up? So let me use that one. Then your ID details. So here you have to select your country here where the ID is being issued. As you can see, issuing country of ID. So me, I'm going to select Nigeria. Then the ID type, you can be able to use your national ID, driving license, or passport. Okay, which one you have. But right now I have my national ID in front of me. And note, the ID number you can put here, if you just have, for those that are from Nigeria, if you just have the name number, just put the name number here, or any number that you have on your ID card. That's what you're going to use to verify here. Okay, if you want to learn more information about why you need your ID, you can click here, why do I need to provide my ID, and they will tell you. So right now I'll go ahead and put in my ID. Okay, all right, so once the ID is correct, so you go ahead and type in this code that you are seeing here. So what's this? GDTVP. Okay, then click on next. Remember, put the right information here so that you can be able to verify your account. So as you can see, they say, okay, please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to you or your company. So you here, I also advise you to choose personal account, then pack country. For my own is Nigeria, then currency, NGN, then bank name, I'm going to use Zenith Bank. Yeah, so I'll use Zenith Bank. Then this is my name. I'll put my account number down here. All right, so I'll select I agree to the terms and conditions, and I also agree to the pricing and fees. I also suggest that you go and read the pricing and fees so that you know the prices that Payoneer is going to charge you. Maybe when you want to request a card or anything that you want to, just go there and read about the pricing and fees. It's going to help you to understand the platform better. Okay, so once you're done, just click on submit. All right, so as you can see here, they said congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Okay, so as you can see here, they are telling us here that you will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. Okay, so You can now also, I will suggest that you go over to your email, so to make sure that you get this message. Okay, so you know, maybe make sure that you are getting their message, because once you, as you can see, this is what they are telling me: your application to Payoneer is under review. Then here, please verify your email address. So guys, once you click on verify your email, Payoneer is going to go ahead and verify your email. Okay, so then after you verify your email, then you now have to go ahead and log in to your account to complete the verification process. Okay, but I cannot be able to log into this account that I am creating right now, because Payoneer is actually going to block it, because I'm using a details that I've already used to log in to have an existing account with Payoneer. Okay, as you can see here, as I try to log in, it's saying your account blocked. Okay, so what I have to do is I will go ahead and sign into my main account. Okay, so that I can show you what you have to do once you get here. So once you get here, you sign in. I'm signing into my main account right now. As you can see now, this thing is loading. Then I'm signing, and this is my account. Okay, but when you sign in, you are not going to be seeing any money here, because you just registered. Okay, so what you're going to see is for you to complete your verification process, and what you actually need to verify here is your address verification. That's why I say you should use your address. Okay, now when you go to verify your address, you will see an option where they will say you should use your utility bill, or you should use your banking information. Okay, so you have to make sure that the utility bill that you are using is tallied to your name. Okay, so you have to make sure that utility bill that you are using is tallied to your name, or that the banking information that you are using there is also having your address. Because what I did is, when I tried to verify my own, I went to the bank and changed my address to my current address. Okay, then I now created an account statement of that my account and send it to Payoneer, and that's where they accept it. Okay, so let me quickly go ahead and show you that, so that you will understand what I mean. So if we head over to settings and head over to verification center. Okay, so as you can see right here, verification center, there is no open requirement. But if I click on history right now, as you can see, utility bill here, I submitted it, not accepted. And why is it not accepted, guys? My utility bill was not accepted because the name on the utility bill is not my own name. Okay, regardless of whether I'm living in that apartment or not, as long as it's not in your name, they are not going to accept it. So that's why I went ahead and used my bank document, and that's what I explained to you, that's what I did. So what I did is, I went to my bank, changed my address to my current address, and use my banking app, print a statement of account, or you can tell your bank to print a statement of account for you, and you snap it with your phone. Don't edit anything, and go right where they will be asking you to submit your verification for address and upload it. Okay, so that's all you have to do to get your account active and start receiving money from clients all over the world, or from these platforms that you are going to be working with, or doing your affiliate marketing with, or everything that you're trying to do with your Payoneer account. Okay, so I will try and walk you guys through this account and to show you what else that you can be able to get from this account. Okay, like I said, this account can enable you to be able to generate lots of other accounts in other countries. Okay, as you can see, this is my USD account, this is my Euro account, this is my British pounds account. As you can see, I have more other accounts. This is my Australian dollar account, this is my Canadian, and this is my Japanese account. Okay, so if I try to show you, let me go to global payment service, so that you can see all these accounts, that they are live and they are active. As you can see, these are the accounts. For example, if I want somebody to send my account, my US account number to somebody, I can just click on this view details right now, and there are lots of information that is here. As you can see, I have both the bank name, my account number, the routing number, the beneficial name. As you can see here, this is my name, Martin Iyo. This is the address that I'm going to give the person, everything for the person to make payment to me. Okay, so this is my Australian own. Okay, if I'm trying to receive Australian dollar from somebody, or if I'm trying to receive British pounds, or I'm trying to receive US dollars, I'm trying to receive yen from people, or Canadian dollar. Okay, or if I also want, they give me an option I can actually request for a Singapore account, so that, as example, maybe I want to receive a Singapore dollar from somebody, I can actually request for this one, and it doesn't take more than 2 business days, guys. They are going to approve it, as long as you have done the previous verifications that I have already walked you through, guys. Okay, so then once you have done that, then you can easily go to settings, come to bank accounts, to also add your extra bank account that you want to add. Okay, so once you get here, although we have already put our bank account when we are registering, if you could remember, but you can also add extra bank account. As you can see, if I click on bank accounts, I already have 2 here. One is in USD, which is my domiciliary account, and one is my in Nigerian account. Okay, and I can also add one more account. Like Payoneer allows me to put up to 3 more accounts on this account that I have here. Okay, so just go to your account, go through this whole stuff, go through the pricing and fees, so that you understand everything that you can use Payoneer to do. Okay, so guys, that's it for this tutorial, and I believe that you guys get massive value from this tutorial. As you can see, Payoneer is actually very good when it comes to security. Okay, and as you can see, they don't want people opening multiple accounts in the same name. That's why the account I started with, they actually have to block it, but I can actually use my main account. Okay, you can go ahead and proceed with the whole thing I showed you in the training, and it's going to work perfectly fine for yourself. Okay, then, if, like I said earlier, if you are interested on how you can be able to make lots of money online legitimately, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and make sure to click that bell notification button, so that once I go ahead and share the strategies I'm using to make money online, you are going to be among the first people that is going to get the video, so that you come here and take advantage of what I'm sharing with you. Okay, so you can see, this is not magic, this is real money that you are seeing here, and I've received thousands of dollars from just using this Payoneer platform. Okay, so guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share this video with anybody that is going to find this valuable, and also make sure that you check out my next video, because it's going to help you to make a living online. See you guys in my next video.